Have you checked out eRank's browser extension? This is one of our newest tools and we're regularly updating it to make it even better. So let me walk you through some of the current features and the latest updated features. You find it from here. This extension button on the sidebar of eRank takes you to the Chrome Web Store. The extension works on Chromium type browsers. Click to add it to Chrome and don't worry, it is safe. eRank always protects your data, and with this tool it's no exception. We don't track or monitor your online activity while you're using the extension. Once added, you can pin the browser extension for easy access. Click here and pin and you're ready to go. And this is not just for pro or expert subscriptions. Our browser extension is free. It's available to all eRank users as an extension to your current plan. You keep the same daily quotas and your browser extension usage is counted in those quotas. Now when you're browsing on Etsy, you'll see your eRank extension turn orange. This means it's got something to show you on this page. Click on it for it to spring into action. For example, on any search results page. Here you can see the stats for that keyword, the search volume, searches by country, and in this search trend graph, you can even look at the search trends for Google, Amazon, and eBay. In the other tabs, you can see details of the listing on that page. Click here to sort them by estimated number of sales, and here to sort by views. For the tags of the listing, you can see and sort by the keyword, search volume, competition, and even this search trend graph where you can see the keyword sorted by the most searched last month first. And in the shop section, you can see all the shops showing on that page. How many listings are there in organic search and how many listings that shop has had as an advert. I also think our browser extension is user friendly. It's all that familiar data and tools seamlessly integrated right there in your browser. It's not like learning another tool, and actually it's simplified. The correct tool with the most useful data is right there depending on the page you're currently on. For example, if I click on one of the listings I see in the search, we get the data specific to that listing. For me, one of the best things about our browser extension is that it saves you time. No longer do we have to switch between tabs and tools. The data is just following you around as you browse Etsy. Spot a new interesting shop in your niche, wonder what their best performing listings may be, what tags they're using, how seasonal their sales are. It's right there. And with our extension, you never forget as well. You can save those interesting tags to a keyword list with just the click of a star. I know all too often when browsing Etsy, I say to myself, I'll remember it later when I'm sitting down to do real keyword research. And of course, I instantly forget. Now it's saved without me even feeling I'm doing any work. Or if you know that that's the perfect tag, you can even immediately copy it right to your clipboard. Add to that, the browser extension helps you adapt quickly. Because eRank's search data shows you the seasonal trends, you can really see what times of year a keyword is popular or if something's picking up right now and jump on the trend at the right time. Are shops in your niche just suddenly having an increase in sales? You can immediately dig deep and analyze what customers might be loving right now. And it can even help inspire you. It's not only there when you're searching on Etsy, but within your Etsy dashboard when you're working on a listing, you can ask our AI tool, the listing helper, for some suggestions to get you started. There's so much more to this tool, so I hope I've inspired you to give it a go. Have a click around and see what other pages it works on. And this is a tool the whole team are proud of, and we love the latest updates. But like all our tools, we love hearing your feedback. What features would you like added to the extension? How do you plan to use it? Let our team know and subscribe to this YouTube channel to be the first to hear about all our latest updates to this tool and all our other tools.